Are you being interrupted by the DirectInput 8.dll error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. This DLL file is the DirectInput 8 library, a component of DirectX used for processing input from advanced gaming devices. It allows games to detect precise user interactions with modern peripherals and force feedback. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for the DirectInput 8.dll are stable. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the DirectInput 8 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the DirectInput 8.dll, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the DirectInput 8 and maintaining system stability. If you've regained access to DirectX End-User Runtime thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.